What it do, what it do? This your boy Vontae, the entree, checking in one time with a hot new product called Sqribble. And this is the official Sqribble review by your boy Vontae, the entree, aka LeewayFreedom. Or really biz, depending on where you're watching this from. But let's get right to it. So what is Sqribble? Sqribble is a brand new cloud-based software that allows you to create ebooks, reports, white papers, or other digital books on the fly quickly and easily. Sqribble features 50 unique ebook templates, 15 very hot niche categories, automatic content engine, an automatic table of content, easy to drag and drop design, 300 plus Google fonts, and 1,000 plus stock library. Sqribble is an ebook creator. It is the truth. I personally use it, and it is crushing the game. So how does Sqribble benefit you? Number one, instant content creation. Sqribble has a built-in automatic content engine, so there is no need to write anything. Number two, commercial license. You can create unlimited ebooks for yourself or clients and keep 100% of the profits. Yes, Kindle is calling your name. Number three, let's face the facts. Marketing online isn't getting any easier. There is more competition than ever. Your prospects are always being distracted left and right like never before. You know I messed up right there. Your prospects are being distracted left and right like never before. How will you stay ahead of the competition? The secret is professional eye-grabbing covers that will stop scrollers in their tracks. With Sqribble, there is no need to spend weeks and hundreds of bucks creating content from scratch. Sqribble takes care of everything with a few clicks and taps. So, why you should be buying Sqribble through me? Because no one else online will offer you these three bonuses for joining. Bonus number one, a push button traffic 3.0. I say, it is the push button traffic 3.0 worth $297. It's a brand new, never released push button software that will get you free traffic and profits in 45 seconds. Bonus number two, $100 daily. That's worth $147. It's a 10-part video series taught by a multi-millionaire online. And he really does give up all the goods on how to make $100 daily that will eventually turn to $1,000 daily. And bonus number three, viral commissions machine. That's worth $297. And this cloud-based software will help you never have to buy traffic again with this breakthrough software that will help you go viral in 5 minutes flat. And all of that right there is a total value of $741. Believe it or not, it really is. I use these softwares already. I've been using them for a couple weeks. And I'm able to, just like with Sqribble, you will have a commercial license. So I have a commercial license with all of these bonuses right here so I can give them away for free with my other products, which, help sell products. And, if you do sign up with me, you will get these products to sell with your other products, to give away as bonuses as well. So that's the benefit of having, these bonuses to give away yourself. On top of having Sqribble, which is the hottest product online right now, or one of the hottest products. So let's go. And here's what to do next. Click on the link under this video to buy Sqribble. And then once you do, send me a copy of your receipt to my email, LeewayFreedom@gmail.com. And then I will forward you the bonuses quick, fast. And I also will have my Facebook link under just in case, my speed ain't fast with my email, even though, I get the ping on my phone and I'm usually on my computer. So just either way, I have my Facebook, link underneath so you can follow me on Facebook and also send me a message that way too. But I appreciate y'all for listening and watching. It's your boy Vontae the Entree, aka LeewayFreedom, aka Mr. Really Biz. Y'all have a great day.